Hello guys, welcome to NSS GRIT. We are here launching our first ever podcast from NSS GRIT panel. So, hoping you guys will like it and take it forward.
Let's get started. Hello guys, this is Tarun Raidu, President of NSS.
Hi guys, this is Kamala Grace, the Vice President of NSS.
Hi guys, this is Anjali Akshita, General Secretary of NSS, and we are here for the podcast today.
So, what do you guys think NSS is actually?
NSS has always been special for us, so for your sake, we'll give a glimpse of NSS motto. NSS motto for general is all about, it's about you and not us. So we create empathy towards others and service for the nation, society.
Well, that's true. NSS, as the motto says, not me but you. So, any form of service, we first keep other service as a priority and not us. So, we do all kinds of service, like we did few flagship events called blood donation, blanket distribution drive, which we do on winters, and we also have a flagship event called RUDO. It is a national environmental fest, and yeah, there are so many events which we'll be talking slowly in the further episodes.
So yeah, NSS is all about National Service Scheme. So it is totally based on service oriented. So we do a lot of service oriented activities where we involve ourselves, our personality gets changed, we can build up our own characters. That is very helpful to us. So yeah, this is the most interesting part. What NSS has changed in your life?
So this is our today's
So we're gonna talk about
podcast motto.
like NSS, what is the role of NSS in our lives, in a student life or a volunteer life. So we're gonna
As
talk
we
about
speak today, we speak on behalf of all the NSS members personally, but as of now, we are speaking about our personal journeys in NSS.
that. So we're gonna share our own self experiences or journey through NSS.
Yes. Starting with our president.
So recently I came up with an experience regarding NSS in NSS. I think it's in my second semester when I was the block head of data science. My junior, I think he is right now in second year. He texted me regarding Tarunana that my father met with an accident. I need serious help right now. Adityan Zeppinaka. Usually we NSS, what we do whenever we get any money or donations or any help regarding blood donations, we generally share across WhatsApp statuses and Instagram stories, as you all know. And we also share across our community. We have an NSS community. We have shared there. So usually I did that, and I didn't really concentrate on that because I think I'm going through some exam at that point of time. So I left it there, and slowly after 2-3 days anukunta, he texted me again saying ki thank you so much that it really helped me that someone from the NSS team, his or her father was a police, so he came up there to the hospital and he took care of the surgery without any permissions or everything. And amount we were able to raise proper amount 3 to 4 lakhs, I guess, which is a very big amount regarding donation. And yeah, blood donation has been done. And at that moment, what I had in my head is we saved a life. Ultimately, indirectly or directly, we save lives through money donation, through blood donation, or through any kind of service.
The forward message.
True. So
Every step
yeah.
here is a service.
Just that one forward message contributes to a lot of service.
Yeah, so that one forward message made someone live. Now, I mean, the service we did, I think that's so small of us doing. We just forwarded a message. It's all the service that happened, the help that went through. Yeah, that satisfaction is ultimate. That is the ultimate thing I've ever felt. I'm so proud of myself being here with my fellow EB members representing NSS now. Yeah, the satisfaction I got on that day is limitless. I feel so happy, yeah, and I'm proud to be an NSS volunteer as well.
So yes, my experience in NSS or being a part of NSS is all about me getting satisfied by doing that event. I already mentioned this in another meet. And the satisfaction I get after doing an event is very joyful. ఇప్పుడు దాకా అన్ని ఈవెంట్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ డూ ఇస్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ దట్ చిన్న సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కోసం చేస్తాం. మై ఫేవరెట్ ఇస్ విజిటింగ్ అన్ ఆర్ఫనేజ్. ఎవ్రీబడి నోస్ దిస్. మై ఫేవరెట్ ఇస్ విజిటింగ్ అన్ ఆర్ఫనేజ్ where my name is Grace, where I found another Grace there.
We found another Grace.
Yes.
The junior.
Yes, we found another Grace there. And the kids there, అక్కడ ఎంత అటాచ్ అయిపోయారంటే మేము ఉన్న మ్యాక్సిమం అంటే ఒక 4-5 hours ఉంటాం. ఆఫ్టర్ లంచ్ వెళ్ళాము, ఈవినింగ్ దాకా
Our
ఉన్నాం.
first visit was on Diwali occasion.
దివాళీ రోజు దివాళీ వీక్లో వెళ్ళాం యాక్చువల్లీ.
Yes.
దివాళీ వీక్లో మ్యాక్స్ ఒక 4-5 hours ఉంటాం వాళ్ళ దగ్గర. ఉన్న 4-5 hours కూడా వాళ్ళు ఎంత అటాచ్ అయిపోయారంటే అంటే వాళ్ళకు ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలీదు. బికాస్ దే ఆర్ జస్ట్ కిడ్స్ హూ ఆర్ ఆర్ఫన్స్. సో బయట నుంచి వస్తున్న వాళ్ళే ఇంకా వాళ్ళకి పేరెంట్స్ కానీ అక్క కానీ చెల్లి కానీ చాలా జోవియల్గా కానీ చాలా ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ క్లోజ్ టు మై హార్ట్. బికాస్ నెక్స్ట్ 2-3 times నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా దే యాక్చువల్లీ ఆస్డ్.
They question me where is Grace Akka అన్నట్టు.
దే యాక్చువల్లీ ఆస్డ్ వేర్ ఇస్ గ్రేస్ అక్క అని. సో దట్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ యూ గెట్. అక్క మీరు మళ్ళీ రండి, మీరే రండి, తర్వాత రండి, మాకు వచ్చి మాతో ఆడుకోండి. దట్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు మీ.
They owned us.
Exactly. In whatever I do, satisfaction is important. And coming to a service is also getting service chairs to our satisfaction is really another level, guys. So hoping you guys will join us to get that chinna satisfaction in your life.
It's all worth when you see the smiles on their faces.
Exactly.
Seriously.
That smile is all worth it, guys.
Knowing that's because of you guys and
They are the most innocent and purest souls, man.
ever.
Yes.
They're more cheerful than us. You just imagine that.
We have everything and we are just depressing on everything. We are stressing on
Exactly.
everything. They are like full on happy. Like, kill it.
Yeah.
So what is your experience?
Yeah.
I have changed a lot through the journey. The first Akshita who gave an interview for NSS was totally different from the person I'm sitting here. Generally with my friends, I came into NSS knowing its service kinds and the questions they asked were what will you do?
Time pass చేద్దామని వచ్చా.
No, not exactly, but service and చేద్దాం అనేది రాలేదు అంతగానం.
Class కాబట్టి time pass చేద్దామని.
I just want
అటెండెన్స్ రాలేదు guys మాకు.
రాలేదు guys.
మాకు రాలేదు.
It was pure interest. Everything was.
మాకు ఒక రోజు కూడా అటెండెన్స్ రాలేదు.
Secret, not definitely.
But in the process, I met my seniors first. They were very welcoming, very empathetic. Like when you're in the room with them, you feel like you have a connection already. That is so special. And then I've met these fellow mates who are like minds, like the people who want to do something with interest, even though we didn't get attendance, we were not provided transport sometimes. It was all our initiative. So NSS taught me how to take an initiative if you want to make a change in the society. If you feel you want to do something, you take the initiative to do something. You have the gang, you have the team, just go for it. And the end result, we all know it is going to be a bliss.
That's
it's always a
satisfaction.
bliss day. The end of the day, we are all together, we have done something, and in our heart, we know it brought an effect. So actually, I wanted to also mention the orphanage. You also mentioned that.
Okay, that is mine.
That my first event was same orphanage, a different place, but it was on Raksha Bandhan event.
Yeah.
So I tagged along with my seniors so that they can be their brothers to the females there, and we can be the sisters to the male students there, male orphans there. So they just didn't question a thing. They after tying the Rakhi to them, they're like, Naya. They just owned it. That I don't think it's that easy for any other person, like generally in life, but they're full of empathy, they're full of openness, they're full of love that they can exchange and take and give. So that is a very special thing. Yes, that is my thing.
And also we became best friends ever, and I
It's the
don't
best
have any
part.
friends from my class.
I don't have.
Like over it's like we became good group of friends through club.
We found those forever friends in NSS, guys.
Yeah.
We have those forever juniors anna, forever seniors anna, forever friends anna is all NSS. So NSS is that special to our heart. you tell you want to do something, చేసేద్దాం. NSS లో అందరూ వస్తే చేసేద్దాం. That is how special it is.
In my journey in NSS, I don't remember their name. He's the senior. He was giving a speech on Mata. Like, he mentioned one thing. If your college is considered, college academics is considered as a single digit one, you remember that, single digit one. The activities you do through college and through clubs is the zeros you put beside it. So how many things you do that makes you feel reaching out or that makes you feel you have done something is the zeros. So through NSS, I have collected a number of zeros that I'm actually happy. That's my wealth.
You're adding zeros to your one.
Yeah.
And the way we started at NSS, like we started with block 1 and square 1 where we were secretaries, 3 different
Yes.
branches, IT,
CSBS.
business system.
Yeah.
And then we went into the block heads of the same particular departments. And then Rudo came up. We were the core committee. And then now we are in the
EB guys.
again. So yeah, it was a beautiful journey. చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాము మధ్యలో, చాలా అయినాయి, నేర్చుకుంటాం. Life is a learning.
Always learning.
Obviously, yeah. But with learning, we were also helping people, we were helping animals, we were helping different, through awareness programs.
Basically, we don't have a boundary for our service, guys. We go for every community. It is not like we only do for humans ani kaadu. It is like, and anything you do service, you don't have to tag it. Human service ani, animal service ani, you don't have to tag it around. Want to do something, help ante. నేను వాళ్ళకే చేస్తా, వీళ్ళకే చేస్తా, not at all issue. Yes, guys. So
Yeah, I want all of you to comment if there is any idea we can do from NSS, or if you also want to join, you also want to volunteer us. Anywhere, if there is help, we come. NSS will be there.
More than happy.
Yeah, and anything else?
exactly, we want you guys to, come to us, join us in our NSS family, be a part of NSS DRIT family, guys.
The
Yes.
more big family, the more love we have.
The biggest family we ever have is NSS DRIT. Around 300 people in us, in our community. That is what we are very proud of. We pull every year we pull around 300 people into our family. We want everybody to do a bit of service. That chinna satisfaction, chinna services, it all matters. So please come and join us, guys.
And the main reason we are doing this podcast is so that we reach out to you guys. Like, there are many people who don't know details about this. And the second thing is, we can use this as a platform to spread awareness, ideas,
Yeah.
initiatives, whatever it is. A more
In
responsible
exactly.
society.
So please reach out to NSS DRIT.
Yeah, please support us for taking this initiative. I think everybody will be liking this. There'll be more videos coming up with new ideas and good concepts as well. So
And
yeah,
one more thing. Through NSS we do things, but we know many of you as an individual also do things for the
Yes.
society.
Congratulations.
I'm very happy that you guys take up this step, and you can just share your things with us so that others can get inspired about
Yes.
it.
Congratulating all those
Who-
heroes.
Yes.
Today we celebrate our 70th Independence Day, remembering all the brave